Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to increase your credit card limit on CIBC. In order to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with the procedure, open up a web browser and then on the web address bar type in www.cibc.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. So the link is going to direct you to the official web page, and right on this page select credit card from the top right hand side corner, and then you'll be able to see all of these information. So on this page you'll be able to see all of these information. So basically what you have to do is, in order to increase the credit card limitation, to type in the link that is cibc.com/personalbanking-credit-card. And don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. Unfortunately, there's no such direct way of requesting for the credit card limitation, or there's no such single factor that can lead you to increase the limitation of your credit card. So you have to go through several steps, only then you can increase your credit card limitation. Some of the things that you should remember is that you should have a clear history, you should have a good transaction history. You can see right on this page the instructions has been provided to you by the bank itself. You can go through it and accordingly perform to increase your credit card limitation on your CIBC bank account. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.